Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Z.
Frieza, you fool! I am the Prince of all Saiyans.
Vegeta, can you just shut the fuck up?
Oh, big talk for a low level.
No, I'm not a low level.
Yeah, you are. You're really weak. You're so weak.
Oh, what is that I'm sensing on my gator? His queer levels are unbelievable.
Oh, that is Kakarot. I can sense him too. Kakarot. Kakarot. Kakarot, you're a Super Saiyan.
Yeah, that's right, bitch. Yeah, I'm a friggin' Super Saiyan, so what?
Frieza, he has no idea how powerful Kakarot is. He is a Super Saiyan.
Guys, move out of my way so I can beat him. With my Kamehameha. Frieza, I'm gonna use my friggin' Kamehameha on you, stupid bitch.
Goku, don't underestimate him. He's very powerful, seriously. He's so powerful.
Enough of this foolishness. I'm going to transform. Seriously, I would stand here like an idiot while my opponent is just powering up.
I'm probably the most useless character on the show. And my destructive disc is fucking gay.
Krillin, shut the fuck up. That's enough out of you. This show is only 30 minutes. You're not that popular. You can't just talk all the time. And your destructo disc, it is fucking gay. Goku, what is that over there?
Hey, I'm a Smurf.
And what are you doing on our show, you fool?
Yeah, well, my show got canceled, so I just figured I'd come hang out with you guys.
No, you can't do that, you faggot.
Alright, well, this show's pretty much fucked up now.
Hey, Frieza. Are you a guy or a girl? I think everyone wants to know.
Yeah, Frieza, seriously, are you a guy or a girl? Jesus.
Isn't it obvious I'm a hermaphrodite? Enough of your questions. Kakarot, we have wasted another half an hour of everybody's time. This show is ridiculous.
Smurf, come on, you guys gotta break it up. Seriously, Smurf, that friggin' pissed me off.
Kakarot, be a little nicer to the Smurf.
Smurf,